How's it going? It's Mwest here, and today I have a special unboxing. I have the Beacn Studio, the Creator XLR interface. I've been kind of curious about this interface. It does two different things, right? Number one, it has an XLR interface. So if you have like a Shure mic or a Rodecaster mic that has the XLR connection, you guys can connect that up. Those mics are known to have some of the best audio quality. And then the second purpose of this Beacn Studio is to use it for a dual PC setup. So it's supposed to make that process a lot easier. Today, I'm not using it with the dual PC setup. So what I want to do for you guys is unbox it so you see what's in the box. And then I'll be doing a mic comparison. I'll be comparing the Beacn mic to a Shure mic connected via XLR with this interface so you guys can kind of hear how it sounds. I'll be reading the infamous Llama Llama Red Pajama book so that you guys get the same level of audio from me, or hopefully. So let's go ahead and open it and see what's in the box. And after that, we'll jump into the sound test, right? So this just came in today. Right, books, don't care about it. More cardboard, of course. A nice USB cable. I guess this has a it has like a dual connection, right? So that's nice. I like that they're sending this. So USB to USB-C to USB-C, or US to USB, right? So that's cool. And then the actual interface, I got it in a dark color, right? Oh, this feels very plasticky. That's okay. It's a lot bigger than I had initially expected, right? Those are the USB-C connections so that you can connect it up to two PCs, right? And there's the XLR interface right there. And then this knob, which feels very plasticky, and then this interesting little handle. And that's it. So let's go ahead and do the audio test, and I'll bring up the sound. All right, let's go ahead and start the test. So let me bring up the infamous book, move this interface over to the side a little bit, and then I'll let you guys hear how it sounds. I'll only read a few pages. We're going to start the mic comparison now. So currently I am using the Beacn mic. All right, Llama Llama Red Pajama reads a story with his mama. Mama kisses baby's hair. Mama Llama goes downstairs. Llama Llama Red Pajama feels alone without his mama. Baby Llama wants a drink. Mama's at the kitchen sink. Llama Llama Red Pajama calls down to his llama mama. Mama says she'll be up soon. Baby Llama hums a tune. Llama Llama Red Pajama waiting for his mama. Mama isn't coming yet. Baby Llama starts to fret. All right, so we'll stop there. And we'll go ahead and get this new interface connected. Llama Llama Red Pajama reads a story with his mama. Mama kisses baby's hair. Mama Llama goes downstairs. Llama Llama Red Pajama feels alone with his mama. Baby Llama wants a drink. Mama's at the kitchen sink. Llama Llama Red Pajama calls down to his llama mama. Mama Llama, she'll be up soon. Baby Llama hums a tune. Llama Llama Red Pajama waiting for his mama. Mama isn't coming yet. Baby Llama starts to fret. I fumbled with this thing a little bit. It wasn't as easy and direct to set up. I thought I could take my previous mic profile and just kind of move it over to the XLR mic profile or the Beacn Studio. I'll walk through some of the settings that we have here. So we have the general mic setup. I went ahead and turned on the phantom power, which is needed for XLR mics. Noise suppression, I didn't touch anything. It just examined my room automatically. And then after that, it kind of adapted to it. So it's on its adaptive state. You can do a snapshot so you can listen to other things, but I left that on as is. The expander, I didn't really change this much right now. Compressor, I hardly ever touch this. I don't think my voice really needs any attenuation and to kind of push it down. And then headphones, I don't do anything in here. So everything else here is pretty similar to how I have it set up, especially this EQ here, where we have the rumble, the bass, the warmth, the muddiness, clarity, and nasal. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Let me know if you guys hear a big difference. For me, I don't think I'll be switching over to this interface That's not because I don't like it. I'm just happy with the performance of my Beacn mic right now. But maybe I'll hear something and I'll want to switch. But thanks for checking out this review of the Beacn Studio, right? It just came out. I wanted to get it into I wanted to get it into my hands, just the average Joe, the normal tech guy, to kind of see if I heard a big difference. I think the setup was a little bit more confusing than I had originally thought. I thought it was just going to plug and play and work automatically. It switched up a few things. It restarted, blah, blah, blah. You know, just the general tech issues that I'm not too much of a fan of. I like the simplicity of Beacn, and kind of adding in this product was a little bit more hoops than I wanted to jump through. I don't know if it's because it's newer software. They just released a huge update, and so a lot of things have been changing. In terms of how Beacon's software communicates, how Beacon's hardware and software communicates via USB. So maybe that caused some of the issues, but I'll listen to the audio and hear how it sounds. I'll compare it. I'll put it side by side somewhere in the video, and then you guys kind of sound off below. Other than that, I am out. Peace.